What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Listen, ladies and gentlemen, every single time we come on the ClearCryptos educational channel, sometimes we like to focus on the education, other times we like to focus on the news. This time is no different, as we have some breaking news here about the FTX story and saga that just keeps getting crazier. Now, I haven't personally read this story, so I'm going to be reacting to this thing live. Justin says I should be surprised. So, Jay, take it away, man.
All right. So 18 million FTX user debt tokens to be burned. Here's why. And they're going to go over what these debt tokens are. It's funny. Let's get into it. Thousands of former FTX clients are eagerly waiting for their money as the bankruptcy proceedings move forward. According to court filings, the exchange owes around $102 million to depositors. So that's the people who deposit their money and then, they lost it. Moreover, the firm owes around $3.5 billion to the 50 biggest creditors. So that's everybody who lent them money, right? A bond token called FTX User Debt, aka FUD, was created by DebtDAO for the biggest creditors with a $1 price tag per token and a 20 million initial supply in circulation. The FUD token will represent 2% of total FTX debt, according to DebtDAO. Wait, there's more. DebtDAO said it would create extra tokens and airdrop them to FUD holders after FTX confirmed the actual debt. The first group of creditors to exercise their claim over the debt will be the FUD creditors. Nonetheless, on February 6th, yes. Nonetheless, on February 6th, Huobi announced that 18 million FUD tokens will be burned. So why are the 18 million FTX user debt tokens being burned? Enthusiasm regarding FUD has led to volatile shifts in price and high trading volumes. Furthermore, prices for the recovery tokens increased to as much as $113 because of high demand. It gets better. Prior to this, DebtDAO believed that FUD had a value of less than $1. However, the debt was valued at approximately $220 million at the $113 price level of FUD because of the price increases on Monday. Therefore, on February 7th, 18 million FUD tokens will be burned in order to align the debt's price with what DebtDAO has deemed to be fair value. After the burn, only 2 million FUD tokens will remain. This will bring its value from the initial 1 FUD equals $1 equivalent claim to 1 FUD equals $10 equivalent claim. Moreover, holders of existing FUD tokens need not take any action, and the value of tokens containing FUD will increase tenfold. Lastly, Huobi notes that during the destruction period, FUD assets held by users pending orders and other placement functions will not be affected. So, Hobbs, what do you think about FUD token, bro?
Oh, this story just it's like it never goes away. As you were talking, I pulled up FUD token. It's down to $57 now, down 20% on the day. This is crazy. It's not surprising, but it's crazy, right? It's the world of DeFi. It's the world of crypto that we live in. As soon as something catches some steam, it definitely can run. But the only thing I'll say about this particular story is be very, very careful. This is the definition of FOMO. The only reason why this token is even thinking about going above $1 is because of FOMO. People FOMO'd into it and they're going to FOMO out of it. However, I do kind of like the idea of burning all those tokens, because I feel like that is, if now every token is going to be worth $10, right now everyone's worth about $57. So expect a massive sell-off if that's the case. But maybe not. This thing's up 113, 10,000% in a day.
Yeah.
It's insane. It's insane. It only happens in crypto. So I appreciate you saving the story for lack of goodness. That was interesting. What are your thoughts, man?
I think it's a money grab.
It's totally a money grab.
To me, it's just like, bro, for real, like the FUD token for FTX. creditors, money grab, bankruptcy. Come on, man.
When was it
It's
created
just
though? I guess that was the question.
I'm not 100% sure. Also, what's interesting is that Huobi is like really backing this token, which I think is very interesting of all things. But maybe it's helping with the trading volume. I'm not sure. But yeah, man, this is a crazy story.
Yeah, this is wild. Listen, guys, you let us know what you think down in the comments down below. We're probably going to cover this story tomorrow at the crypto show. I'm not going to lie, but this is very good. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Come back and check us out over here on the Clear Cryptos educational channel. But my name is T Hobbs. That guy above is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.